welcome back to my channel Mama Leia TV, and in this video I'm going to share about Cherry Blossom's convenience store collection. Yeah, that's how I call this video. So let's get started. So first things first, everybody's favorite crispy Sakura chiffon cake. Like, come on y'all. Isn't it like picture in itself makes me like salivating now. I've never tried this yet. Okay, so next is this Calbee potato chips flavored butter and honey. Like, who doesn't like sweet and salty? Tell me. I don't know, like, if I'm strange, but I really love the combination of the sweet and the salty. Am I strange, or can you relate? Anyway, next is this prawn. It's Calbee. Actually, I can. It's similar to the uishi, the orange thing here there in Philippines. I don't know if you're familiar, but I believe kids and even adults love it. So I know you know that one. But anyway, this one is only it's not new, but like the package is they just designed it for the spring, the Sakura collection. And then this one I also didn't, it's my first time to see this actually. It's Kit Kat. Like, oh, look at the color. It's Kit Kat Ocean Salt. So I can imagine this one is also combination of saltiness and sweetness. So it's so fun to see this kind of colors. Like, like nakaka-girl in Tagalog. Nakaka-girl, like I feel girl, I feel woman. Yeah. And look, the back of this package, can you see this one? Can you see this here part? There's an instruction there that you can make like an origami. And this is how everything here, every package you can do something for it. They always put, not all, but they always put something that you can recycle it. So yeah, Kit Kat. And next is this Sakura Paima. It's cherry blossom pie. So Sakura pie. It's also first time for me to try this one. Here, Sakura pie. And next is this cranky cute sweet. Like, I can now feel that I don't want to throw away this packaging. I want to keep all of them because it's so cute. Like, look, it's chocolate, by the way, and the flavor is honey lemon. Oh my gosh, honey lemon. First time for me to try honey lemon chocolate. I think I'm gonna do like a taste testing of all this food. I don't know, we'll see later. So next is this, look, Topo. It's like pretzels, and then inside has a, I think it's vanilla. Yeah, vanilla shake. It's vanilla shake flavor. Are you salivating? Aren't you? I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Even for me, I'm so excited to try all of this food. Yeah, it's vanilla shake. And next is this, I'm sorry. It's latte pie. I think when I went back to Philippines last year, I seen this one at Daiso, and they have the one with a chocolate flavor one. But this one, it's It's berry pie from Lotte. Okay, so this one next, I'm so really like, what? This Baskin Robbins chocolate. And I'm sorry, you guys. See? For sale only in Japan. But don't worry, once you come here in Japan, after everything is back to normal, whenever you come here during the springtime, I believe you can get it. You can get this one. Buy a lot and bring back to your country. You can wherever you come from. I'm so excited to try this one because I'm a Baskin Robbins fan. Like, come on. Anyway. And next is, I think last two, yeah. Next is this. It's so cute. Oh, and the expiration date is still June. Oh, I can still keep it like a display in the refrigerator. Like, hello. Anyway, just kidding. And then the last one is, okay, so I went to the 7-Eleven and then I found this Sakura lipstick collection, and I haven't tried this one. I don't know if my lips will accept this one because my lips sometimes it's very, I know I am poor, but sometimes it will get itchy. It's Sakura Veil Lip. Okay, I'm gonna open. I wanna see inside. What's the color of it? You guys, it's been a while that I couldn't go to the drugstore really like buying. I'm running out of like foundation or some lotion. But you know, it's so difficult to go at this time because anyway, I want this video to be happy. Okay, now it's open. Okay, wow, look like, oh my gosh, look at the packaging. I'm sorry, anyway, later. Look at the packaging here. I don't know if you can see that. Like, can you see it? Like, there's a flowers and like a petals, yeah, petals. Okay. Look, it's so cute. Like, look at the color. Can you see the color? Like, it's too bright, I think. Let me smell it. It doesn't have smell actually. Yeah. And it has shimmer. It has shimmer. I am not fan of shimmer, but I'm just really attracted of the packaging. But I think it's not bad. Like if you just want to make your lips like to get moist or to have some moisture in it, just this one is okay. So that's it. That's all my convenience store spring collection 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this to your friends, and to click that subscribe button to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.